Is your PS5 randomly shutting off or refusing to turn on at all? Don't worry, because you probably don't need a new console just yet. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Power issues usually happen because of internal dust buildup, a faulty power cable, or a tripped internal circuit breaker designed to protect your hardware. Let's get your PlayStation back in the game with these advanced fixes. Step 1. Perform a deep power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the wall and the back of the console. Hold the power button down for 30 seconds to drain every bit of leftover energy. Let it sit for 20 minutes before plugging it back in. Step 2. Inspect the power cable for physical damage. Look for kinks or exposed wires. If you have a desktop printer or a PS4, try using that power cable as they often use the same figure 8 connector. Step 3. Bypass your surge protector. High-performance consoles like the PS5 can pull a lot of juice. Plug the console directly into a wall outlet to ensure it is getting the full voltage it needs to stay powered on. Step 4. Clean the power supply intake vents. Use a can of compressed air or a low-powered vacuum. Dust often clogs the small holes near the base of the console, which causes the power supply to overheat and shut down. Step 5. Check for the beep of death. If you hear one beep and then nothing, your power supply might be overheating. Move the console to an open area with plenty of airflow. Never keep your PS5 in a closed cabinet. Step 6. Vacuum the dust catchers. Sony designed specific holes under the white faceplates to collect dust. Pop those plates off and vacuum those 2 holes to prevent the internal power supply from choking on debris. Step 7. Test your HDMI 2.1 port for shorts. A damaged HDMI port can actually cause a short circuit that prevents the console from powering up. Inspect the pins inside the port to make sure none are touching. Step 8. Update your system software in safe mode. If the console stays on for a few seconds, hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Select option 3 to update the system software. A firmware bug can sometimes mimic a power failure. Step 9. Disable the HDMI device link. If your TV turns off, it might be telling your PS5 to shut down too. Go to Settings, then System, and toggle off HDMI device link to see if the random shutdowns stop. Step 10. Reconstruct the internal database. In safe mode, select option 5. This scans the drive for corrupted files that might be causing the system to crash during high power draw moments. For a quick bonus tip, try standing your console horizontally. Some users report that the liquid metal thermal paste can shift over time when standing vertically. This simple change can sometimes stabilize the internal temperature of the power components. If you are still facing any difficulty with your power supply, please leave a comment below. I am staying online and I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more expert fixes. Your PS5 is a beast of a machine, and with these steps, you will be back to gaming in no time.